Welcome to the Smart Money Flow channel, where you learn how to earn online without ever showing your face. This video I'll reveal 5 powerful faceless AI income streams that are working in 2025. And the best part, you can start each one for free from anywhere. So whether you're a stay-at-home parent, a teacher looking for extra income, or someone who just wants to make money online, these faceless AI business ideas are perfect for you because they don't require any prior experience, technical skills, or even a large investment to start. Let's get started. First up, AI voiceover videos. This method involves creating videos with artificial intelligence that share valuable information with viewers while monetizing through ads. To get started, you'll need to follow these steps. Step 1. Choose a topic or niche for your videos. It could be anything that interests you, such as personal finance, health, fitness, relationships, self-improvement, or technology. Step 2. Create a list of potential video titles by brainstorming ideas that will appeal to your target audience. For example, if your niche is personal finance, some title ideas could be how to save money on groceries, the best ways to make money online, or how to invest in stocks for beginners. Step 3. Use an AI tool like ChatGPT to generate voiceover scripts for your videos. Simply input your chosen title into the chat window and ask it to write a voiceover script for a YouTube video. Step 4. Download the generated voiceover script and review it to make any necessary adjustments. Once you're satisfied with the script, move on to Step 5. Use an AI art generator like Midjourney to create visuals for your video. You can use the script as a prompt to generate relevant images and videos. Step 6. Download the generated images and videos and add them to your video editing software. Step 7. Upload the final video to YouTube and start earning ad revenue. One great thing about this method is that you can hire freelancers to help you create the videos, allowing you to scale the business with little effort. In fact, you only need to spend around 30 minutes per day on this business to make it work. For more tips on growing your YouTube channel faster, check out this video in the description. Next up, an automated blog using ChatGPT and Notion. Creating an automated blog using ChatGPT and Notion is a fantastic way to make passive income online. Here's how to do it in 4 simple steps. Step 1. Choose a profitable niche for your blog. This can be anything from marketing to health, fitness, travel, or personal finance. Step 2. Use ChatGPT to generate blog post ideas within your chosen niche. Simply ask the chatbot to give you a list of blog post ideas, and it will provide you with a variety of suggestions. Step 3. Use those ideas to create blog posts by feeding them back into ChatGPT and asking it to write a full article based on that idea. Once you have your articles written, it's time to move on to Step 4. Step 4. Publish your blog posts using Notion. You can easily set up a simple blog using Notion's template gallery and publish your ChatGPT-generated articles with just a few clicks. And here's the best part. Notion offers a completely free plan for individuals, making it an excellent choice for beginners. Moreover, you won't have to worry about SEO since ChatGPT can already write SEO-optimized articles for you. Additionally, you can leverage AI art to create visuals for your blog, further enhancing its quality and appeal. To monetize your blog, you can display Google ads, join affiliate programs, or sell digital products. With consistent effort, you can earn up to $1,000 per month from a single blog. If you're interested in learning more about AI art, check out the video link in the description for a detailed guide. Number 3. Data-driven YouTube cash cow channels. Starting a data-driven YouTube cash cow channel is an excellent faceless AI business idea that requires minimal effort and expertise to operate. Here's a step-by-step guide to setting one up in just 5 minutes. Step 1. Identify a profitable niche for your channel by conducting thorough research. Consider factors such as competition, audience size, and monetization potential when selecting a niche. Step 2. Brainstorm a list of video ideas that align with your chosen niche and target audience. You can use tools like ChatGPT or Google Trends to assist you in generating ideas. Step 3. Use AI tools to automate the production process. Tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, Midjourney, and Adobe Firefly can help you generate scripts, voiceovers, images, and videos automatically. Step 4. Publish your videos to YouTube and optimize them for search. Use an SEO plugin like Vidic to ensure your videos are discoverable to your target audience. Step 5. Monetize your channel through various streams such as super thanks, memberships, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. By following these steps, you can launch a successful data-driven YouTube cash cow channel that brings in a steady stream of passive income. Remember to stay updated with the latest AI tools and trends to maximize your chances of success. Now, let's talk about Etsy Plus. AI printables are digital products that customers can purchase and download instantly, making them a convenient and eco-friendly alternative to physical products. Selling printables on Etsy is a great way to earn passive income, and it's easier than ever with the help of AI. Here's how to do it in 4 simple steps. Step 1. Choose a niche for your print. Consider your skills and interests when selecting a niche. Some popular options include planners, journals, wall art, and greeting cards. Step 2. Use AI tools like ChatGPT and Midjourney to generate designs for your print. Describe your idea to ChatGPT and ask it to generate a list of design ideas. Then use Midjourney to create unique and eye-catching artwork based on your chosen ideas. Step 3. Create listings for your printables on Etsy and include high-quality images and descriptions. Use Etsy's tools to set your pricing and profit margins. Step 4. Promote your Etsy shop through social media and other channels to drive traffic to your listings. With the right printables and marketing strategy, you can earn significant passive income through your Etsy shop. Finally, faceless reels and shorts for TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. Creating faceless reels and shorts is a fantastic way to build an audience and generate income online. Here's how to do it in 4 simple steps. Step 1. Choose a niche or industry to focus on. This will help you target a specific audience and establish expertise in a particular area. Step 2. Use AI tools such as ChatGPT to generate ideas for your reels and shorts. For example, you can ask it to provide a list of trending topics in your chosen niche or to come up with creative concepts for engaging content. Step 3. Create your reels and shorts using AI-generated content and stock footage. You can use AI art generators like Midjourney to create visually appealing graphics and videos that support your content. Step 4. Post your reels and shorts on social media platforms and analyze the performance of each post. Use this data to refine your content strategy and optimize your posts for maximum engagement. You can monetize your reels and shorts through brand partnerships, affiliate marketing, and sponsored content. The key to success is to remain consistent with your posting schedule and to engage with your followers. Now let's quickly recap the 5 faceless AI income streams we discussed today. AI voiceover videos. Create videos with AI voiceovers, sharing valuable information and monetize through ads. Automated blog using ChatGPT and Notion. Generate blog posts using ChatGPT and publish them on a free blog using Notion. Data-driven YouTube cash cow channels. Automate the production of data-driven YouTube videos using AI tools. Etsy plus AI. Generate unique designs for printables using AI and sell them on Etsy. Faceless reels and shorts. Create engaging reels and shorts using AI-generated content and monetize through brand partnerships and affiliate marketing. If you found value in this video, please leave us a like and a comment below on which faceless AI business idea you're most excited to try. And don't forget to subscribe to my Money Flow channel for more valuable content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.